just laying near Moorea, and we're staying at the Sofitel Hotel in one of the Overwater Bungalows. Here's the first look at the room, okay? Let's see how it goes. Okay, come on in. Okay, so right here you can tell, open area, a bed, nice bed with a nice mosquito net. And then right around the corner we have a really nice breakfast bar. We got a little cute tea machine, make coffee, whatever you like in the morning, and right here we have the bathroom. As you can tell right here, it's open shower right here. They gave me some nice robes, and then even right here we can head outside. It's a nice little okay. And then there's a double vanity right over here. The bathroom's there, but you don't need to see that. And then right around the corner over here, we have a little closet. In here, there's a safe, ironing board. There's even yoga machine, workout permit, umbrella, because right now we're in the rainy season and it may rain here and there. They even give you a really nice bag with the hotel room on it. Okay. And then right around here, we have the television. We got some seats. And one of my favorite parts about this room is this glass panel. They can see into the water. And obviously, the wraparound glass windows. And then we're gonna head outside. And wow. Look at this view. Tell me this is not nice. There's some overwater bungalows there. Even over here. And we go down to our little deck. There's a little shower here. Nice little shower. We got our own little staircase down. Some fishes down over here. Some corals. Overall, really nice room. I think we have one of the better rooms because it's towards the end of the deck, so there's a little more privacy. Other bungalows aren't in the way of our pictures and videos, so that's a really nice touch. Okay, thank you guys.